Hi loves, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in today. In today's video, we are going to be making homemade Nutella that is easy to make and fun to eat. I will list all the ingredients in the right one in the description box below for easy access as always. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you and thank you for joining me. For this recipe, I will be using hazelnut. You can use any nut of your choice, peanut, almond nuts, you can use cashew nut, and I'm just going to be roasting this for about 10 minutes until the skin are cracked and easy to peel. So I'm just going to be pouring this onto my kitchen napkin and I'll be rubbing my hand on it for easy peeling. You can use any method that you like that will help you peel your nuts quickly. I find this method easy and fast to clean my nut. I'm just going to be rubbing my hand on it until the skin are coming off. You may find some of the nuts still have their skin on, but that is fine. You may not have all of them fully clean. I will transfer my nut into my blender, cover and blend into a paste. After blending for some time, I'll open the blender and I'll add the rest of the ingredients. To the nut butter, I will be adding some powdered sugar. I'll add some cocoa powder, a little bit of coconut oil, and a bit of vanilla extract. I'll cover it and blend it some more until everything is well mixed together. And you will have a very fine, smooth paste. I'll scrape around the blender and cover it and blend again. After a few minutes of blending, we have a very smooth, homemade Nutella ready that you will love and it will be fun for you to eat. You can spread this on your bread or use it in any recipe that calls for Nutella. Nutella sandwiches are fun to make, and if especially you have kids around, they will have fun making it themselves or you helping them make. This is easy to make and you can use or make this with any nut of your choice. I thank you so much for watching this video and thank you for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like this simple recipe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.